Hey guys, welcome to Life with Derek. My name is Derek and I'm a doula, and today I'm here to share some essential oils with you guys. So I met this lady through a friend. She is really into essential oils, health and wellness. She trains people. She's very cognizant of what she puts in and on her body. And I contacted her and told her that I was a doula and that I was interested in just her business and the things that she does for herself to stay healthy. So she invited me to her house and showed me all of her essential oils and how she takes care of herself using aromatherapy, and I ended up buying a kit from her. So today I wanted to do an unboxing of the kit that I got from her, just to show you guys what comes in it, what the things smell like, and just to see if it's something that I will implement into my plans. Many doulas use aromatherapy and essential oils with their clients for calming, for pain relief, to reduce stress, things like that. And I also like to use aromatherapy on myself. Essential oils are very calming to me. However, I'm a bit weary about where I get them from. So I wanted to get some good essential oils that I could use on my pregnant clients, because I don't want to put any toxins on them and on myself, because, you know, birth is a lot. I be needing to calm down. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Okay.
What's up? It's Lil Baby here. Tune in to the Billboard Music Awards to see me present the award for Top Hot 100 Song presented by Rockstar Energy. See you there.
So it comes, the brand is called doTERRA, and this is the Healthy Essentials collection. So it comes with 10 different essential oils, and it also comes with a diffuser. And it also comes with a magazine. So this is their magazine, the Living magazine, and it basically comes with like recipes that you can use the essential oils in, people's stories about like how using the essential oils help them. It's kind of like a catalog. It also comes with a diffuser. I actually already took it out. So that's what that is back there, sitting up there. That's the diffuser. But yeah, it comes with the diffuser as well. I already had diffusers, but I mean, what's another one? So this brand claims to have safe, pure, and effective oils, natural, non-toxic products. So, you know, they say they're good. So let's see. So like I said, let's get into it. All right, for the first oil, we have the Deep Blue. Can y'all see that? And it says a soothing blend. And this one is 5 milliliters. All the other ones are 15, but this one is the only one that's 5. So it says it soothes targeted areas. You can massage into muscles, use before or after working out, and apply after a long work day. So I've been doing this workout challenge, and I'm in the gym like 6 days a week. And y'all know that after gym soreness is real, especially if you haven't worked out in a long time. So I'm really excited to try this with like a carrier oil, like almond oil, or like a shea butter or coconut oil, so that I can massage into my muscles and see how it works. Like if it does what they say it does, this is gonna be the one. Let's smell it. Okay. Oh wow, that is amazing. It smells so good. I really enjoy it. I really like that. It smells really good. I can definitely see like getting a massage with that. That's nice. Next up, we have lemon. Everybody loves lemon, right? A lot of moms like lemon. They like the citrusy smells during labor or just in general. So this lemon essential oil is good for cleansing inside and out. You can inhale to improve mood, use to wipe down surfaces, or add to a glass of water. Okay. I mean, lemon is pretty. Yeah. This is good. I really like that. It smells great. I can definitely see how this can improve your mood. Next up, we have one of my fave essential oils. We have peppermint. Okay. Peppermint is refreshing, cooling, and invigorating. You can apply to the chest before exercise, add a drop to your toothbrush, or when tense, massage into temples. I love this. She let me smell this at her house, and she actually told me to take a drop. The perfect drop is 45-degree angle. Boom, that was a big drop. And then rub your hands together. And then she had me put my hands in front of my face and inhale 3 times. And when I tell you, you can feel it, like, it feels so good and refreshing. It's like those gum commercials where they be like in the Arctic and they be like that's how it makes you feel. We have another fave. We have lavender. Okay. And lavender is calming, soothing, and relaxing. So you can add a drop to your pillow, apply to skin irritations, and add 2 drops to nighttime tea. Interesting. I never really ingested essential oils. That's something that I didn't really know about them, that you could actually ingest them. But I guess when they're actually pure and like you're only using a little bit, then they can be good for you. That's good, that's good. Lavender is lavender. I mean, if you don't know by now, you should already know. That it smells really good though. I love lavender. And lavender is another good one to diffuse with my clients because it is very calming and soothing. Next up, we have copaiba. And copaiba is good for easing bodily discomfort. So you can add a drop under the tongue, diffuse for emotional support, and rub into targeted areas. This one is like woody, kind of warm. I think it comes from like a tree bark, I'm pretty sure. So it's very like, it's giving earthy tones. I really like that. It reminds me of like what my dad and his friends used to smell like. Like I wonder if it's very nostalgic. Like I think maybe one of them used to diffuse this or maybe be burning something like this because it's very like nostalgic. All right. Next we have On Guard. Better be on guard. So this one I remember is good for your immunity allegedly. So yeah, it boosts the immune system. So you can diffuse during fall and winter, rub on bottoms of feet, and add to water with honey to soothe throat. Okay, boost my immunity. What's in here? It definitely smells like it will boost your immunity. It has a nice little fall smell to it. Y'all want to smell it? Smell it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, I really like that. It's like spicy. Next up we have Digestzen, which is a digestive blend. Okay, what is it? Home Essentials Kits. Okay, they said we're getting it together. Get me together. Digestzen soothes stomach upset. So add to water or tea, rub on stomach, or take after a large meal. Okay, so for you people who have digestive problems, this might be for you. I don't think that I have many problems with my digestion, but I'm sure it couldn't hurt. Okay, Definitely smells like it will help with your digestion. Not something that I would be diffusing, but it definitely smells like it will help with your digestion. Now we have the Breathe blend, okay? Respiratory blend. This gives feelings of easy breathing, so you can rub on your chest or back, diffuse at bedtime, or inhale directly from palms. So just like I did with the peppermint oil, this is giving that. This I'm sure has peppermint in it as well. Yeah, peppermint, cinnamon, lemon, tea tree. So just a blend of different oils that can help you breathe. Yes, I can definitely see myself diffusing this at bedtime. Now we have Balance, a grounding blend. I need that. You probably need it too. Grounds and balances emotions. Because my emotions be all over the place sometimes, and I just need to be centered. And sometimes just meditating doesn't do the job. Like sometimes we need a bit of a partner in our, grounding situation. So it grounds and balances emotions. Inhale when feeling anxious, diffuse during meditation, apply to wrists for relaxation. Yeah. Oh yeah. I love it. 10 out of 10. Definitely gonna be balancing your girl out. Last but not least, and I know it's not least because I smelled it before, we have Adaptive, which is a calming blend, okay? And so it says here that Adaptive helps you adapt and stress less. Okay, we all want to stress less. Who wants to stress more? Raise your hand if you want to stress more. Oh, you do? Get out. Nobody wants to stress more. And if you do, like, you shouldn't be here. So not here, but like, never mind. Anyway, you diffuse this to ease anxious feelings. Apply as a supportive perfume, and inhale to combat stress. Okay, so it's giving this and balance working together, gonna have you feeling like your best self. Okay, don't quote me because I don't know yet, but it's given. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. Smell that. Doesn't it smell so good? I know, right? So yeah, that's all of the essential oils in my kit. So I'm gonna be using them on myself. I'm gonna develop kind of a regimen routine, like wake up in the morning, peppermint, diffuse my breathe or my balance during my meditation, hit myself with some Adaptive when I'm feeling a little low, hit myself with a little lemon in my water, and see how it works for me and see how it works for my clients, because I would like to, for instance, the deep blue, give massages with the deep blue and the copaiba, and just see how it works for them, see which scents moms like more than others, really get a feel for using the essential oils as therapy. I'm really excited about it. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if y'all want some essential oils, because I got the plug. I would say if you are not really into essential oils like that, I would say maybe you should try it, get into something basic like a lavender or a peppermint, or maybe a balance, just to test it out and see how you feel. And then if you really are into essential oils, take a look into this company, into this brand, and see what they have to offer for you. And yeah, I'll be coming with a review later on to kind of tell you how they've been doing for me, how it's been affecting me using all of these essential oils. I got a lot, so I can actually try them out and use them and not have to rely on the same one over and over. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below about some essential oils that you might like or some brands that you enjoy using, and if they've helped you, please let me know how, and let me know if you'd like to see more of this type of video. If you guys want a review, I probably will do a review soon, just on how, you know, all of this is affecting me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.